If you want to have access to master controls inside of Microsoft Windows 11, then you can use this trick. I'm going to go around over here onto my C drive where I have a code stored out in Notepad file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put this code in the description so that you can just copy and paste it and use the same technique. So I'm just going to go around and copy this, and to gain the master control, what you can do is you can right click anywhere. You can just go around onto any folder of your choice, and then you can go around onto new and select folder right here. So once the new folder is there, while it is in the naming mode right here, you can simply press Ctrl V to paste it out, or you can right click and paste it as well. So once you go around and do that, press enter, and what happens is that you got the master controls, as you can see right here. So if I were to double click, you can see that I get all of the controls. You can also see the icon change right here, but this is the master control itself. So you can see that I have autoplay option right here. I got backup and restore right here, as you can see. And similarly, I got different categories which I can control. So you can see that there are many different areas of controls that I can access out right from my desktop right here. So if you want to have this master control easily, you simply follow out that technique right here. You can go around into color management. Let's say, for example, access the color management option, date and time right here, and so forth, right then and there. And that is how you can get master controls inside of Microsoft Windows 11. That's by renaming a folder with a special code. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.